Amazon QuickSight Introduction. Amazon QuickSight is a cloud-scale business intelligence service that you can use to deliver easy-to-understand insights to the people who you work with, wherever they are. In a single data dashboard, QuickSight can include data from AWS, third-party sources, big data sources, spreadsheets, software-as-a-service sources, business-to-business sources, and more. A dashboard is the published version of an analysis that you can share with other users of QuickSight for reporting purposes. A data analysis is the basic workspace for creating data visualizations, which are graphical representations of your data. QuickSight uses a superfast parallel in-memory calculation engine, called SPICE. The storage and processing capacity available in SPICE speeds up the analytical queries that you run against your imported data. By using SPICE, you save time because you don't need to retrieve the data every time you change an analysis or update a visual. Amazon QuickSight Key Features. Use QuickSight Q to provide business intelligence for everyone. With QuickSight Q, you can ask conversational questions of your data, and use Q's machine learning-powered engine to receive relevant visualizations without the time-consuming data preparation from authors and admins. Use machine learning insights to perform advanced analytics. You can use AWS expertise in machine learning to discover hidden insights from your data, perform accurate forecasting and what-if analysis, or add easy-to-understand natural language narratives to dashboards. Embed analytics to differentiate your applications. You can embed interactive visualizations and dashboards, sophisticated dashboard authoring, or natural language query capabilities in your applications, which can differentiate user experience and unlock new monetization opportunities. Amazon QuickSight benefits. Build customizable dashboards. With QuickSight, you can build pixel-perfect dashboards that are use-case specific. You can also deliver personalized email reports and alerts for end users and provide on-the-go access through iOS and Android on the QuickSight mobile app. Native AWS service integration. QuickSight integrates natively with other AWS services, such as Amazon Redshift, Snowflake, Exasol, Amazon Relational Database Service, and many others. You can use AWS Identity and Access Management to grant QuickSight permissions for Amazon S3 and Amazon Athena with fine-grained access control. QuickSight can also integrate with Amazon SageMaker to create sophisticated machine learning models without the need for complex data pipelines. Serverless pay-by-usage design. QuickSight is completely serverless and will automatically scale to hundreds of thousands of users with built-in high availability. With QuickSight, you only pay for what you use, which means no more over-provisioning for peak usage or requirements for thousands of end-user licenses.